robots are increasingly collaborating with humans, changing the approach to many processes. They allow for more efficient production while also saving money. Let's find out how this is possible. Here we have a completely collaborative robot that doesn't require any safety barriers. It was designed to work with humans. Now I'm finishing programming it using the direct teaching function to establish the correct position. That's right, I don't need to know any programming language. Utilizing the intuitive, easy-to-use app on my tablet, I can program our robot to do almost any job. Let's check how it went. I created a program in which a robot arranges children's bricks, and it turned out to be child's play. I can also stop the robot with ease and without any concerns. This is a robot designed to work directly with humans without any direct danger to health and safety. Imagine a production site where we can easily move a robot around in accordance to your operational needs in a matter of minutes. Now it's possible. See you in the next episode.